Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to measure distance between models. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool. Kitchen and bath or closet/doors or windows. Enter the customization interface. Select the toolkit. Measure from the top toolbar. Part 1. General measurement. Method 1. Select model. First, select the measurement object. Then select the distance object. You can see the distance between the two cabinets. Then modify the distance to move object. Press Z to reselect the measurement object. Right-click or ESC key to exit. Method 2. Select point. You can select any 2 points in the canvas to measure the distance, not limited to the model. Then modify the distance to move object. Method 3. Select the outline point. The custom tool has a proprietary function that can capture and recognize the panel outline of the customized model. Measure the distance between the model and the model more accurately. And modify the distance to move model. Part 2. Orthogonal measurement. Enter the Measure tool interface. Select the outline point. Select orthogonal distance. Click the two cabinets that need to measure the orthogonal distance to display the vertical distance between the cabinets. Part 3. Isolated measurement. Select Isolated measurements. Press and hold Shift to multiple select the model or part you want to measure. Then click below to start measuring. Enter the isolated measurement, and other unselected models will be locked and unselectable measurements. Only the isolated models or parts can be measured. That's all. Thanks for watching.